Pegboard task. Pegboard play helps your child build steady fingers, visual focus, and control, essential for writing, typing, and tool use. Start by letting your child hold a peg using their thumb and index finger, then push it firmly into the pegboard. They can follow no pattern or place pegs into color rows or simple letters. If this is tricky, start with large pegs and a soft foam board. You can guide their wrist and place the board at a slant for easier access. As they improve, move to smaller pegs or ask them to follow letter cards, number patterns, or build full shapes. If your child is sensitive to firm textures, try soft foam boards and rubber pegs, or let them play gently into putty first. Add a visual or timer challenge to boost attention and control. Can you build a rainbow row in 20 seconds? Peg control supports writing between lines, holding small tools, and using gadgets like zippers and buttons. Pegboard play strengthens the hands and mind. Precision starts here.